Welcome to this lecture based on definite article. In this lecture we will study use of definite article the. First point, the is used before the superlative degree. He, for example, he is the ablest man of the town. Honesty is the best policy. So before the superlative degree of adjective we have to use article the. You can see in the examples the ablest is the superlative degree, before that article the has been used. Best is the superlative degree, before that article the has been used. But one thing we have to keep in our mind, whenever any possessive adjective is used before superlative degree, so we cannot use article the over there. For example, if I say that he is my best friend, so my has been used before best, so we cannot use article the. So whenever superlative degree is used, and before that if no possessive adjective has been used, so there we have to use article the. If possessive adjective has been used before that, we cannot use article the. Next point is the names of states, country, etc. having a descriptive name. For example, the Punjab is a small state. Punjab is a descriptive name. He lives in the USA. USA is a descriptive name. But the Delhi and the America are wrong, because neither Delhi nor America is a descriptive name. Note, a name which gives us some meaning is a descriptive name. For example, Punjab is equal to Panj plus Ab, a land of 5 rivers. So the names of the scriptures, before the names of the scriptures we have to use article the. For example, the Gita is a holy book. Gita is a scripture. Have you read the Bible? Bible is a holy book or scripture. So before Bible, Gita, Ramayan, Quran, we have to use article the. Means if there is any religious book, before that we have to use article the. Next, names of newspaper. Before the names of newspaper we have to use article the. For example, the Tribune is published from Chandigarh. The Hindustan Times is a well-known newspaper. So when there is a name of newspaper, before that we have to use article the. Next, we will study names of rivers, canals, seas, oceans, bays, gulfs, groups of islands, etc. So before the names of rivers we have to use article the. For example, the Ganga is a holy river. Here we find that Ganga is the name of a river. That's why before Ganga article the has been used. The Indian Ocean, it is the name of a ocean, so before that article the has been used. The Rajasthan Canal is the name of a canal, before that article the has been used. The Persian Gulf is a narrow gulf, so the Persian Gulf is the name of a gulf, so before that article the has been used. Other uses of articles we will study in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video.